Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making ginger and lemongrass pork patties with baked zucchini sticks. So the first thing we're going to do is get our zucchini sticks going. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We have our zucchini chopped up into sticks, and we've got a dish here with that's sprayed and just lined with foil to make for easy cleanup. And here we have an egg white, a splash of milk, some salt and some pepper. And we're going to go ahead first and get our zucchini sticks in our egg wash. Just kind of toss everybody around. Okay. Now in here we have some parm, we have some breadcrumbs, we've got some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt, some pepper, and some oregano. And I'm going to go in with our sticks. Going to lightly coat them. These aren't going to be 100% breaded so that you can't tell what they are, which is good. It just adds just a little bit of flavor and a little bit of crunch. Don't be afraid to kind of pat it down on your sticks there. You can shake off a little bit of the excess too. And you just kind of want to spread them out in your dish. All right, and you're going to continue this process until you've got all of your sticks breaded. And then we'll pop these in the oven. And these are really only going to take about 10 minutes at this size. If you cut your sticks a little bigger or into wedges, you might give them a little bit more time just to crisp up a little bit. All right, we're ready to pop our zucchini sticks in the oven. Because these are so small, like I said, about 8 to 10 minutes on these. If you have them in larger wedges, maybe 15 to 18 minutes. Pop these in. All right, and now we're ready to start working on our pork patties. All right, so we're ready to begin working on our pork patties. Inside of our bowl here, we have some lean pork. We've seasoned with some salt, some pepper, and now we're ready to begin adding in the rest of the ingredients here. We have some ginger. We have some parsley. And we have some lemongrass, very finely chopped. All right, now you want to begin to combine all of this. I'm going to add a splash of water to incorporate all of your ingredients into your ground pork. See that it starts to kind of cling to itself, almost form into a loaf. That's what you're looking for. Just another little splash of water. Once you get it to this point, you're ready to begin forming your patties. Alright, so you want to take a little bit of your mixture. Flatten it out. Repeat the process until you've used all of your mixture. Now, anytime you're forming a burger or even just a meat patty, for cooking like this, especially from ground beef, you want to kind of put a little indentation in the middle. This will come extremely in handy when you're grilling out this summer. What it'll do is it allows some of that puffiness that you get, that kind of prevents that. So just a little indentation, nothing too big. All right, so now we're ready to begin cooking our burgers. You don't want to overcrowd the pan, so just go in with about 4. Okay, we'll let those start to work. All right, we're ready to give our pork a flip. All right, we're ready to pull our zucchini sticks. All right, I'm going to set those aside and let those wait for our pork patties to get finished. All right, so our pork has reached the internal temperature of 155, which is the magic number. The juices are running clear. I'm going to pull those off, let them cool. And now it's time to flip our other ones. All right, they just need a few more minutes. All right, as soon as these last 2 are done, we'll plate these up and show you the finished product.